Hey everyone, Bubbly Toybox here with Desiree, Jane, and Mommy. Today we have Pikmi Pop Supplies PushMi Ups.
Yay! So let's get started.
I'll open the first one.
Okay.
Done. This one.
Yay! All right, just do the top. You don't even have to unwrap the whole thing. Oh, how cute! There's stars. There's all sorts of different color stars. So let me do the collector's guide, Jake. Okay.
Okay.
So there's 12 to collect, and these are new Ice Pop characters from the single packs. Yep.
Ice Pop?
The commons on the front, and then we got 4 rares and 2 ultra rares on the back. So let's see the one we got. Aw, it's so cute. It's a little fish. Aww. And we got Nikki the Narwhal. Oh, there's its horn.
It actually has this.
Yeah.
The confetti
So she
hearts.
smells like vanilla bean, and her envelope says, "You're the ice cream of my dreams." Very cute.
My turn.
All right, Jay, go ahead.
Who's this?
Who did you get? What does it look like to you?
It looks like ice. It looks like
Ice-
chocolate and vanilla.
You got Neapolitan, the guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Yeah, what does he smell like?
Chocolate and vanilla.
Chocolate and vanilla.
And strawberry
Yeah.
ice cream.
So here's our guinea pig, Neapolitan. His envelope says, "The s'more we're together, the sweeter it is." And he smells like s'mores. Cute. All right, we got 2 more. Did you open up yours, Desiree? You did? All right, so here's our 3rd one.
Oh, this time we got. Oh.
No, one of those was yours. So who did we get, Jay?
It just went flying at me.
Yeah, I can smell that one from here.
Oh.
What does that look like to you?
It looks like a coconut.
A coconut.
It smells delicious.
Smells delicious. He does. Well, he looks like a sloth with his eyes, Jay. This is Snoozy the sloth.
Oh, so it is.
Yeah. And he smells like fruity gelato. His envelope says, "You're the cherry on my gelato." And here's his envelope. I haven't been showing the envelopes, I don't think. So here's Snoozy's. Uh-oh, we dropped him. There's Snoozy's. Where's the other envelopes, Jay? Here's Nikki the Narwhal.
Oh, I'm colorful.
And then we have
I'll
Neapolitan,
open that
the
one.
guinea pig.
So I'm opening up the last one.
Okay. And Desiree is having fun with all the confetti stars.
It just fell.
Oh, gee. Here's the bag. I have it. No.
Papa!
Oh. he
Looks like a
bird.
parrot.
That is Spook the penguin.
Oh, it's a penguin?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a bald.
Well, penguins are birds.
It smells
here-
like bacon.
It smells like bacon. It's supposed to be ice cream. So here is it Spoke? Or it's Spoke. Spoke the penguin.
What is he supposed to smell like?
He is supposed to smell like pineapple. Does he smell like pineapple, Jay? Yeah, a little bit.
A little
His
bit
envelope-
like pineapple,
Yeah.
a little bit but like bacon.
Yeah. His envelope says, "Chill with the sweetie." Very cute. Awesome.
I thought the confetti would be the same one as the other ones,
Uh-huh.
but instead it's
Stars. Yeah. And Desiree is having fun playing with the stars.
Same thing with me.
Well, that's all that we have here today.
Yep.
So, thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Have a bubbly day.